National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a flash flood warning for
Flash flood warning.
McLean County until 12:30 a.m. At 9:23 p.m., trained weather spotters reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. In excess of 1 inch of rain has already fallen in less than an hour. Another inch or two is possible before the storm is over. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Bloomington, Normal, Downs, Towanda, Bloomington Airport, and Shirley. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. This includes the following highways: Interstate 39 between mile markers 0 and 4, Interstate 55 between mile markers 152 and 173, Interstate 74 between mile markers 124 and 142. During severe weather, keeping the safety rules in mind. Move to a reinforced shelter ahead of the storm, away from windows and doors. At 9:43 p.m., the National Weather Service located near New Philadelphia, or 13 miles northwest of Lewistown, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Canton, Lewistown, Cuba, St. David, Fairview, Ipipa, Table Grove, Dunfermline, Bernadette, Smithfield, Bryant, Norris, Banner, Liverpool, Marietta, Ellisville, Fight and Little America. Liverpool, Marietta, Ellisville, Fight and Little America. Northeastern Mason County. At 10:16 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles west of Manito to near Havana, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Havana, Mason City, Jersey Road, Delavan, Manito, South Beacon, Green Valley, San Jose, Easton, Dillon, Forest City, Banner, Liverpool, Topeka, Chautauqua Park, Butler City, Buford Ridge, and Powden. This includes Interstate 155 between mile markers 19 and 25. Chautauqua Park, Butler City, Buford Ridge, Interstate 155 between mile markers 19 and 25. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a flash flood warning for central Fulton County until 1:30 a.m. At 10:33 p.m., local law enforcement officials reported heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is already occurring on Route 100 and also Route 97.
Uh-oh.
Some locations that will experience flooding include Lewistown, Cuba, St. David, Dunfermline, Bernadette, Smithfield, Bryant, and Little America.
What's the regular programming? Oh yeah, sometimes this EAS equipment does that. Oh, it's just an opera.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lincoln County, southeastern Tazewell County, 11:15 p.m. At 10:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Delavan, or 13 miles south of Pekin, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Delavan, Minear, Hopedale, Green Valley, San Jose, Emden, and Arlington. This includes Interstate 155 between mile markers 7 and 19. Interstate 155 between mile markers 7 and 19.
Another one.
At 10:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Danvers, 11 miles south of Florida, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bloomington, Normal, Danvers, Stanford, Carmel, and Shirley. This includes the following highways: Interstate 39 mile marker 0 and near mile marker 3. Interstate 55 between mile markers 150 and 164. Interstate 74 between mile markers 119 and 133. And 133. Southwestern Caswell County have expired.